how are you? I'm also good. My name is Aarti and I am from International Institute. Today we are making some video and we are playing a debate game, and they are supporting from the coaching and we are supporting from the school side. So let's begin.
Okay, as I'm supporting coaching, how coaching is important for the education purpose. Like in the school, we spend only 7 to 6 hours. There, we are not getting the full education. But in the coaching, we are getting the full education. Even the extra questions we can ask from the teacher. Teachers makes us clear from the doubts. In the school, we can't clear ourselves because we can ask only the one question at once. Teacher never tried to make us understand more.
Okay, thing is that only for 1 and 2 hours you take a lots of knowledge from the coaching about the school life. School life would give the more time, like about 5 to 6 times. That is enough for build and everything sector. In the school life, you all about know. We are also completed school life. That which kind of facility we completed for here.
I think in the school life you don't get any kind of facilities. I think in the coaching when you will go, they will teach you the things in a structured way. So I think the coaching is much more better in that sense that you are learning something in a structured way, because learning is just not about just learning. It's how you are learning, how you grabbing the knowledge.
Okay, sir. Sir, school we learn lot of things. We learn education. We learn etiquette from the school side. We learn emotions kind of thing. And school you are supporting from the coaching. When you born and after some months, after some years, you go to the coaching. No, you were going to a school.
Ma'am, listen to me carefully. I have one experience. When I went my school at that time, some teacher they never come on the time. But in the coaching, we can see easily. Sir always like here before hour, because they know about.
Ma'am, tell me one thing. By birth, you know how to hold a pen in our hand. No, we don't know how to hold a pen. And coaching does not teach us how to hold a pen in the school. We know how to hold a pen in the school. In the starting of the school, we all are in the school when.
So sir, what are you telling about that, like about the holding pen kind of thing? It is totally worthless, sir, because the many students you can see many students who are taking the knowledge from the coaching center. Why? Because they know about the value what they like, what kind of thing they can learn from the coaching. They can't learn from the school. That's why they are going. That's why their parents as well supporting them to go to the tuition, and they are not because they know about the actual reality of the schools. In the school, the teacher never teach you in a well manner, because
I think sir, you didn't go to school, so that's why you are talking like this. In school, we learn how we learn many types of skills. We celebrate the festivals in school, but in the coaching, we just.
I think you are talking about we didn't went the college. So first of all, you have to understand. I think you didn't join any kind of the coaching. If you will join the coaching, why the coaching are running? Just because of the about the knowledge, because right now the people are not getting the proper knowledge about the school. Just because of that, people can learn something to in the college.
Okay, sir, I want to tell you one thing, sir. Listen to me. I want to tell you one thing. You all are looking nice, but I think you don't have mind, because you all are saying about coaching. Have you ever? Did you never go to the school? School gives you a way.
I think today you didn't get your mind fresh today. Today you are not looking fresh. That you are supporting that school is not school is good more than the coaching. I think coaching is good, because these days you can see that many of the person, they are cracking the UPSC exam, means the central exam kind of a thing, by the help of the coaching. There are the many, like you can take the example of Manoj Kumar, and even one of the member from your team says.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, so today, as you all are know, today winter is coming, so they are not take a bath because they are not using the properly mind. Because what is the role of the school in our life? That is a very amazing and very fantastic in our life, because in the school we get a lots of knowledge. We can get the etiquette. That is a plus point. And in coaching,
just tell me one thing. Now coaching institute have to tell you how to hold a pen. Even if they will tell you how to hold a pen, then after what do you will ask for? You will ask for how to write WAX. Then, but how will you?
Okay, sir. Wait. First of all, ma'am, you were saying about Manoj Kumar, like 12th Fail movie. Okay, have you ever seen that movie from the starting? They went to the school. That's why after that he cracked the exam. After that, most of the people who cracked the exam, they they take coaching.
Okay, so
before.
first of all, you have to understand, sir, like whatever you are mentioning, it is not worth it. If you are learning in the school, so at that time you will get the certificate. But what happened after that? You have to, if you want to crack the exam, so at that time they will not teach you in the school. Like if you want to crack the UPSC, so at that
Okay,
time
sir.
they will not teach you in the school.
Okay, sir.
You have to join some of the another.
Sir, do you
coaching.
have a degree in a 10th and 12th? I think you didn't have a degree. That's why you are talking about coaching is best, coaching is bad. But school is best. That's why I'm supporting school is best. Because of in a school we like learn.
Ma'am, just come out from the hallucination. Whatever are you telling about the coach, about the school? It is totally worthless, ma'am. Because I know as a schoolboy, I know what kind of thing is they are teaching in a school about the skills. That's why I just go to the coaching for doing the study. Because in the school you can't get the proper education that much you can get in the coaching center. That's why I'm just going to the coaching center. And apart from that, as you can see,
Sir, as you talking about the degree, it's happened with the degree, because when we are going for the do a job, so they don't ask to from which coaching you are completed your 12th. They asked always from which school you completed your 10th and 12th. And school is just not
Sir,
a school. It is
listen.
ma'am, listen, it is a emotion for the student,
No,
because
listen
we
to
spend
me.
our
Okay,
12 years.
you had your turn. Okay, so sir, firstly we know about it after completed school. We get to extra knowledge how we can get because of the coaching. We didn't get by the school, because a school under to limited, not a cross of limited. But in a coaching we can get our knowledge relate to any subject we can get. But right now you all are speaking very like a nonsense sentence give to us. It is not good for us. Coaching is a really good. That's why in a market running, ma'am, you just only listen to me. Don't say and don't interrupt to me. Okay. And if I talk about the what
Okay, so
is
listen, ma'am, listen. Like as you said that like Manoj Sharma cracked the UPSC with coaching. So do you heard about the Tina Dabi? She completed her 12th class and cracked UPSC without any coaching, and she holds first rank. So now
So if you know that the Indian education system is very rotten. So you can't expect that you will become a skillful person after you have done your 12th and 10th. So in my opinion, the coaching institute will give you the structure on information or the learning that you really need. Because after that you can only
you
get a
are
job in the
not believing
market.
yourself. That's why you are supporting for the coaching. Because in a school we get some knowledge, and in our home we have a belief on ourselves. That's why we are supporting from the school side. And in a school side we learn lot of things. And I'm talking about like how we can in a before years.
I think you forgot that school is important, or the coaching is important. Apart from that, knowledge is important. If you are having knowledge, then you will get the good job. Even you can see that the many person they are getting the good job apart from the coaching.
Okay, Einstein ma'am, wait a minute. I want to tell you one thing.
Provide a job. That's
Okay,
why coaching is the best.
skill. So why the most of the government exams and the most of the MNCs companies talking about their degrees and the 10th and 12th mark sheet? Why we all have mark sheet? If there is no need of mark sheet, so why we are going to the school? Why our parents not send ourselves to the coaching?
Okay, first of all, you are talking about the MNC company, so you have to understand each and everything. If you are talking about the MNC company, just like if you are talking about the MNC company, so at that time how you will crack the exam, how you will crack the that HR, how you will handle that situation. So at that time you have to take the coaching, like how you having a knowledge about the English, so at that time you can get like these things. As well as right now English Institute as well as the computer school institute is available. Why it is available? Just because of the skills. If the person is having any kind of skills, so
listen to me properly, because what is like an international institute also, it's one kind of institute. I know what is a hard slating right now, because in the coaching center they are needed lots of money. They are following the propaganda, because they are needed lots of money. After that they are thinking about it, that don't give the like warranty guarantee. They are completing right now. Previous time
Sir, before speaking something, get freshen up first, because now I am thinking that like whatever I is speaking, you are getting the sleepiness kind of thing. That's why I is speaking about the money kind of thing. Don't go with that money. Our topic is just about the school and about the coaching center. In the coaching, as you know, why the most of the students prefer to go to the coaching center, because of it is not about the like education. It is all about the etiquettes which you can learn from the coaching.
Sir, you know why coaching are running? Just because of the school. Because when we go in the school, so we know what is the syllabus. So that was the reason coaching are the running. When school will be closed on one day, then coaching will be also close on one day. In the school we are getting.
Then only give me
ma'am, listen. In the school we play a lots of these sports and the skills, and in same thing happen in the coaching. But in the coaching it is not wrong. We are going coaching for the learning and just for the study.
But tell me just one thing, that why every parents prefer their child to go to the coaching after school, even they are giving their whole day in the school, but they are not getting the full education. They are not getting about the terms and condition. Always after school they are going to
Okay,
the
ma'am,
tuitions.
okay.
Why tuitions is more
Okay,
important?
you are
Because
supporting-
in school teachers are not giving their perfect knowledge. That's why children need the
Okay, ma'am,
tuition.
let me speak. Like you are supporting from the coaching, so you are supporting from the business kind of thing, because there are a lot of
For everyone.